Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this partition by Holman for our Ford Transit mid-roof. You can see here, this is in the classic Holman powder-coated gray color. It also boasts a 9-inch offset, and this is just the standard partition. There's no deep offset or regular. It comes standard as a 9-inch offset, which gives you plenty of space in that cabin area to push your seats back or even recline them. So the great things about the Holman partition, of course, is the driver and passenger safety. You're driving around with all your tools and parts and pieces in your cargo area. You have to slam on your brakes or something like that. You're nice and protected from any kind of shifting cargo coming and slamming up near the front of the vehicle. This partition also has an option to add in a door latch and handle kit where you can open it up and get access right into your cargo area or go into the driver and passenger area. Now this model has the perforated center panel and passenger panel to allow you to see easy access back into this area to see cargo space or even just to keep airflow between the cabin area as well as in the cargo area. Now another option that we don't have installed on this one, there are plexiglass inserts that you can install on this area and this area to help even prevent airflow from going back and forth, but still keeping ability to visually see what's going on in the cargo space. Now you can find products like this and the accessories for it all on upfitsupply.com.